Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you guys a very easy summer makeup look using all Kiro products. So excited for this video. This is the look. This is so easy, simple, everyday makeup look, and it just takes me maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Got everything step by step. I hope you guys will really enjoy this video because these are my favorite kind of videos. Personally think with this summer season going on, you just need a good everyday go-to makeup look, and if I use all products from Kiro, you will understand each and every product clearly, how you can use them, what are the products that you need, and how you can create your own go-to makeup look. I'm so happy to announce that this video is kindly sponsored by Kiro. I just love working with them, as you guys already know. So this is the look right over here. If you guys want to watch, let's get into this video. So I have a little bit of foundation on my face, and now I am going to set my foundation because it is very important when it comes to your summer makeup look. You have to set your makeup or else it's gonna melt, it's gonna go everywhere. So to set my makeup, I'm gonna use this compact powder from Kiro, the Kiro Botanico Timeless Matte Compact Powder. This is what the powder looks like. I just love the packaging. It is so beautiful, and this is in the shade 03, which is hazel beige. It also comes with a beautiful mirror, so you can just use this product whenever you are just on the go to maybe touch up a little bit. You can take it with you whenever you are traveling. It is such a great product, and flip it like this, you get your compact. You can use this or maybe a brush. I'm gonna use this to set my makeup really well, especially my concealer, my foundation. I'm gonna take the product over here. This is the product. I will just gently press it under my eyes. Instantly this powder blurred out this area. You can see this is the before and this is the after. Powder is very long lasting, and it does not make your face look cakey. It just never gives you that cakey heavy feeling on your face. And the best part is that this is clean, vegan, cruelty free. This is the final result. This is what my skin looks after applying the powder, and look at the difference. My skin looks so blurred out, matte, and it just looks so good, ready for the summer. Now I have a beautiful product. You guys already know how much I love Kiro blush. So this is the blush duo that they have, and this is what it looks like. It's in the shade 01, which contains classic coral and perfect pink. So you get a pink plus coralish blush, and this is just the perfect color for you this summer. I mean, look at this. It looks like this, but it applies on your face so naturally. It is beautiful, just blends with your makeup beautifully, and it is for all skin type. For every Indian skin tone, you can just use this and you are good to go. You are getting two separate blush. You can mix them together. I personally love mixing them, or you can use the coral one or maybe the pink one, whichever you want to use. So I'm taking my blush brush and mixing both the products. This is what it looks like. Apply it gently on my face. It just gives you that flush of color and looks so good, and it also contains a beautiful glow. It does not contain any shimmer or glitter particles, but it contains a beautiful glow which makes your skin look very good, healthy, and it just makes you look so young at the same time. Look at that. I can apply this blush all day long. It is just so perfect. I'm going to show you how you can use this blush in some other way. So I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush. You can take any shade you want. You can take the coral one or the pink one. I'm going to take the pink one over here just because it is like a duo. You can use any color you want. I'm taking the color and using it all over my eyelid. So again, you can use this in so many different ways, and this just gives you that perfect eyeshadow look. I mean, if you don't want to do eye makeup every day, you can apply this blush just like your eyeshadow and you're good to go. Like, look at that, it looks so natural. Kiro products are always my favorite just because they are so minimal. They are just perfect for that clean minimal look which is trending nowadays, and they never like give you that makeup-y kind of a feeling. It's always like that no makeup look kind of a feeling with Kiro, and that's the reason I love them so much. You can see this eyeshadow color looks so pretty on my eyes. My favorite one, I have to use this. This is Kiro's eyeshadow stick. I have talked about this product before as well, and this is my favorite product. This is Kiro's long-lasting eyeshadow stick in the shade Peachy Gold. Stick and use it on my inner corners. This is a very long-lasting eyeshadow stick, and if you apply it once, it will not go away. It will just stay there for hours and hours, and I just love this eyeshadow stick just because it's so easy to use, and you can like use it all over your eyelid or maybe use it for your shimmer shade. This just looks so beautiful, gives you that like sparkling effect and makes your eye pop up. So this is the shade Peachy Gold. You can see it's a beautiful champagne color. The shade Sandy Copper. It's like a bronze color. To talk about this product, Kiro eyeliner. You guys know how much I have used this product on my videos. This is Kiro's waterproof soft matte eyeliner pen. If you guys ask me which one is your number one eyeliner that you will recommend, I will say Kiro eyeliner. Best. It's so good, beginner friendly, easy to use. I love this particular product. So I'm going to take the liner and use it. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. It is super easy to use, very long lasting. This particular jet black eyeliner which looks stunning. I'm also gonna take Kiro HD Smooth Eye Pencil. This is what it looks like. It is a very high definition eye pencil which glides like butter, and it is completely smudge proof, waterproof, and it is going to stay there I don't know for how many hours. It is very long lasting, and have used this couple of times on my channel. It contains vitamin E, argan oil, which is I think great. I'm gonna use this to tightline my eyes and also on my lower lash line. I have to use highlighter, and this one is from Kiro. This is in the shade 01, which contains two different highlighters, again sandy rose plus pearly bronze, perfect for Indian skin tone. It's a mirror, and this highlighter is so good. I mean, you can use it for your day-to-day everyday look, or you can build it up and make it more intense. I love how beautiful this looks. So I'm gonna take my highlighter brush and look at that. Definitely use it in a natural way. This is so pretty, and also it is just enhance your texture. It just blends like a butter on your skin and makes your skin so smooth and give your skin that beautiful like smooth glow that you need. For your lips, they have different lip option. They have liquid lipstick, they have their normal lipsticks, also have like very pigmented beautiful lip glosses. First I'm gonna go with my liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Nutmeg Nude. They are classic color, and they have so many different types of nutmeg nudes. Like they have lip gloss in Nutmeg Nude, they have lipstick in Nutmeg Nude, and this color is so beautiful. It just complements your skin tone so beautifully, and it is matte, very lightweight, extremely lightweight. They are highly pigmented at the same time, and once it's set, it looks something like this, completely matte, transfer proof, smudge proof, and it just takes maybe a few seconds to set. this is what it looks like. Can you just see how beautiful this lip color is? Like, if I'm talking about a good brown liquid lipstick, I cannot ever skip Nutmeg Nude from Kiro. This is the best liquid lipstick you can use. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this very easy, simple summer makeup look. The full face of Kiro Beauty. I personally love this brand and I hope you guys will love it as well. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye.